Okay, on this next example, on example 1c, they're demonstrating this last integral. And so you're going to notice this is the integral of dx over x squared, 4x squared minus 9. So if you go ahead and take a look at your integrals, we're looking at this third one right here, but it matches up. And the indicator here, of course, is you've got an equation, which is your u squared, minus your constant, which is a squared. And so that's kind of the indicator that you're looking at when you're ever looking at a problem like this. If you have the square root, you've got an equation minus a constant, and it's matching up with your arcsecant. So let's go ahead and take a look at this problem. So on this problem it says that we have, I'll go ahead and bring up my whiteboard here. So on this problem it says that we have the integral, and then it says we have dx, and then that's all over, and then it says we've got x, and that's times the square root of, and we have 4x squared minus, and that didn't come out too well, minus 9. So I'm going to go and let my u squared equal my 4x squared. So when I take the square root of both sides, I get u all equals 2x. And so when I take the derivative of that, I get my 2 dx. So that means that I'm missing that 2 up top there. But you got to remember that whenever you're matching up this integral right here, so I'm going to go ahead and just write what the integral matches up to be. It says the integral, and then we have, this is du, and then it says we have u, and then this is going to be the square root of u squared minus a squared. So we've got to be a little bit careful because this out front here is a u. And so when I put this 2 up here, I'm actually going to need to offset it with a 2x because that is what my u is equal to. U is equal to 2x. So I'm going to do my a squared real quick here. So I got a squared all equals 9. So a, when I take the square root of both sides, is going to equal 3. So when I rewrite my integral right here, I'm going to put my 2 up top here with 2 dx. But notice underneath here, I'm going to need my u. So I'm going to go and put that in as a 2x. And I can do that because 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And I still have my square root, and then I have my 4x squared minus 9. Now that I get it to match up, notice it's actually just a matter of substitution. So when it matches up, remember this is equal to 1 over a, and then I have my arcsecant, and then that's equal to the absolute value of u all over a plus c. So now it's just a matter of substitution. So I look back here and it says my a is equal to 3, so that's 1 over 3. And I have my arcsecant, and then that's the absolute value of my u, which was 2x. And that's going to be all over my a, which is 3. And then I have my plus c. And that will be your answer. So again, just be careful matching up your u's and your a's, and then you have your plus c.